guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that it has been a minute since I've posted, but I am back and I'm now refreshed and I'm now to give a lot of content whenever I am available, because I still do my 9 to 5 job, and doing content creating and doing a 9 to 5 job is very hard. But I feel like this is what I love, this is what I love doing, so I just going to see how best I can continue making my videos and pushing it out there. So today, as you see the caption, I'm on a construction site today. I've been on construction sites before and I like the feeling of it, even though I don't really do a lot, but I do small little details, and that's what you guys are going to see today. I'm going to see how best I can caption everything today and put it into one video, right? Normally I will help with the drilling, the tidying up, maybe some painting, maybe some plastering, but I am still a girly girl, but I still need like a skill or to see how people really build houses, right? So today I am at Sangster's countryside. I've been here from yesterday, but I started vlogging today, and it's a pretty beautiful community with a nice river. I might just take you guys one day to the river and have that as a different vlog, because the river is really warm. I've never felt a warm river like that before. Every river I go to, it cold, bad. The river is really nice, so I think I'm gonna come back down here with my friends to like hang out, cook out, swim and enjoy the time. But for now, today our video is about construction work. So I've already got up. I had to sleep in a car because where we are at, there's no sleeping facility, so I had to sleep in the car, and that's fine. It was a good experience. I'm not judge it, I'm not cut it off, but it was really okay to me, right? Sometimes it got hot, but then in the morning part it got really cool. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, as you see in the first part of my video, and now I'm just ready to work. So if it is that you want to spend the day with me on a construction site, stay with me guys, and I will be right back with you. Before I go, remember to like, subscribe, share the video, watch the ads, and give me your support, guys. I'm here to support the community. Welcome back, my Kimmy cuties. I'm here to stay this time, hopefully, and yeah, so stay tuned. So yeah guys, I have completed my first task at the moment. um it's really hot. I don't know how construction men do this all the time, but this is just a minute for me and I'm like dying. But yeah, um if you hear me sound like a stuffy, I'm trying to get over a flu, so that is the reason why I sound like this. But I'm ready for my other task. This one was not that bad, but because I'm in the sun, it feels a little bit draining, and I haven't ate any breakfast as yet. So yeah, So basically, I've conquered the first task. Hooray for me. I'm doing super good. So let's see what the rest of the day brings and what the rest of the day what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. So stay tuned, and when I'm ready for the other task, then I will come back to you, my cuties. Farmer Joe, how you be? How you doing?
Over there, I go through the motions in the way. I pack up the tool and back in the vehicle. Jump up.
Farmer Joe is Farmer Joe. So we're gonna prime the ceiling this morning.
Make the work easier, less clean up, then time something. Come here, set this stove. I will comfortable to you. You understand? I apply some pressure to the wall and make sure it's all together. See it? Back on floor. And roll it. Go towards the corner. Go towards the corner, get this up. Apply pressure up. You want to roll that corner? Apply to make the roller. You will make the roller flat, yes. Keep the roller flat on over. So we have to draw the plastic from the side here. Come get the whole of the thing and roll it. Make it, watch me. Look on the roller. When you rock it back and forth, somebody gets in. So you have to make sure that it rolls complete. So watch me. See that? Make it spin right over another thing. Yeah, that is it.
Right now I am very exhausted. I did half of the ceiling right there with primer and I'm beat. I can't go no more. So right now I'm so painted up. My hair is painted up, so I had to avoid more paint going into my hair. But right now I'm beat. I think this is the last thing that I'm going to do for the day. I don't think I can do no more. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog right now. But one thing I want to say that construction work is not easy. I'll stay in the office for now, but construction work is not easy at all. But big up to all of the construction men. Hands down, and work really hard. And it work really hard. So yeah, doing a props about that. So overall, the day was good. I get to do different tasks, not much, but at least I know what hard work is when it comes to this field. So yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog this time. If I don't end it right now and I go to the river, then I will vlog at the river. But if you guys don't see the river clip, then that means I'm ending the vlog right here. So thanks for watching my cutie pie. Just remember to like, share the video, share the video, comment on the video, comment how, if you're in this field, or if your boyfriend is in this field, or if your husband is in this field, and you know that this is like a really hard work. Just comment and pick up them at this point in the comment section. So yeah, so I'm gonna go right now. Have a wonderful day, guys, and thank you for watching.